Fold your fabric in half, place the pattern on top of the fold, outline everything using your chalk, and after cut it off. And don't forget to put the marks for the gusset. For this tutorial you will need some stretchable fabric. I'm going to use a 4-way stretch polyester, soft lining fabric for the gusset, the fold-over elastic, the picot elastic, the threads, the ribbon, some needles to pin the fabric, the scissors, the lighter, the piece of chalk to outline the pattern, and the pattern. You'll find the link in the description box below. On top of the front element, place the back element, face to each other. Then grab the lining fabric and with the face down, place it on top. Pin it with the needles. Now go to your overlocker or sewing machine and sew here. And if you are going to use the overlocker, then overlock the top edge of the gusset as well. Grab the lining fabric and place it on top of the gusset marks. Then pin it with the needles. Grab the picot elastic and sew it on here and here. Place the elastic on top of the fabric face to each other. Elastic also has a right side and the wrong one. Basically, you need to place a right side to the right side. After, sew it here. When you sew, you don't stretch the fabric, you stretch a little bit only the elastic. When you finish to sew, it should look this way. Fold the elastic this way and sew here. Grab the fold-over elastic and sew it on here, here, and here. In this place here and here, keep the free space of the elastic. I'll say around 2-3 centimeters. This is the fold-over elastic. And you see this line in the middle? This is the fold place of the elastic. So, fold the elastic this way and start to sew without any fabric inside. Then grab the fabric and place it in the middle of the elastic. And continue sewing. When you come close to the gusset, make sure that the lining fabric stays on the gusset marks. When you come close to the end, keep sewing the elastic without any fabric for 2-3 centimeters more. This is what I meant by saying keep the free space of the elastic. So, you see here, this is the elastic. Fold the elastic this way and make a small loop. Go to your sewing machine and sew here. Do the same with all of them. And here I have a small loop. Cut off the leftover of the elastic. Then grab the lighter and eliminate the leftover of the threads and the fluffiness of the elastic. Now grab the ribbon and cut 2 straps, 2 meters each. Then grab some tweezers and lace up the panties exactly the same way like you see me doing here.